What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-100005-6. The game or application can't load. So this is a corrupted file. There are something, update system software updates. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Let's go to the settings first. Here we go to the settings. You must check your application is up to date or not. If you update it, then go to the settings. First, you must check the update. And here is the storage. You must check the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage to load your application, and sometimes the system software is not updated to support it, and sometimes you're having a problem, a corrupted file that your game files are corrupted, application file is corrupted. So you just check these files and then go to the software update. So you must update the system software also, and in the last you just turn off your PlayStation 5, go to the safe mode. There you can get the reinstallation system software, update system software, or rebuild database, or clear cache. You just rebuild database. It may take less than 1 or 2 minutes. So after rebuilding database, your corrupted file will be deleted and your games will work, and your application will work. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.